So dear children, we learned yesterday, that means in the previous class, lines and angles, exercise 6.2, fourth question. Now we are going to learn about fifth question. So the question is given. What is the question? Once look at the question. In figure, AB parallel to CD. Angle APQ equals to 50 degree and angle PRD equals to 127 degree. Find X and Y. So here angle APD, look at the picture, angle APD. So angle APQ is given, that is how much? 50 degrees. And second one is angle PRD is given, angle PRD 127 degrees given, and now we have to find out angle X. First we have to find out angle X, then next angle Y also we need to find out. Now come to the solution. So look at the figure first. Look at the question. What are given? First write down given values. Angle APQ equals to 50 degree. Then next, what is given? Angle PRD. Angle PRD equals to how much it is given? 127 degrees. So these are the given values, and we have to find out angle X. Angle X means, what is that? Angle PQR. From the triangle, look at the picture, from the triangle PQR we have to find out angle X. Angle X means what here? Angle PQR equals to it. Angle PQR we have to find out. Angle PQR means angle X. So angle X equals to what here? Angle PQR. Angle X equals to angle PQR we have to find out. And once come to the picture again. So what we have? Angle APQ value we have. Look at the figure. Angle APQ value we have. If we look at the picture, AB line and QD line, AB line and CD line, both are parallel lines, and we can see here PQ line is intersecting these two lines. So from this we can say PQ is a transversal line. So PQ is which line? Transversal line. That means from this transversal line we can say angle APQ. Angle APQ, picture में जो angle APQ and angle PQR. Angle PQR both are alternative interior angles. So these two angles are equal angles. So we can write angle AP from the figure. Angle APQ equals to angle PQR. So what is given in the figure? Angle APQ 50 degrees. So 50 degrees equals to angle PQR. Okay, that means angle X equals to how much? Angle X equals to 50 degrees. And next, come to the figure again. Now in the similarly, what we have here? Angle PRD value we have. Angle PRD is how much? 127 degrees. And here again AB, line AB and line CD both are parallel lines. So these two are parallel lines, and line PR is intersecting these two lines. So we can say line PR is the transversal line. So if PR is a transversal line and the angles angle QR, angle PRD here, and angle APR, angle PRD and angle RPX, sorry, angle RPQ, both are alternative interior angle, so that we can write angle PRD equals to, write down angle PRD equals to angle APR, these two are alternative interior angles. So APR means alternative interior angles. Okay, so angle APR equals to how much? Angle APR equals to 127 degrees. Angle APR equals to 127 degrees. Angle APR equals to 127 degrees. And once again come to the figure, angle APR. Angle APR means here we have two angles. That means angle APR equals to, we can write angle APR equals to angle APQ plus angle QPR, and here we have angle APR value 127 degree equals to angle APQ value 50 degree plus QPR value y. From this, y equals to 127 degree minus, implies symbol by 2, 127 minus 50 degree, that equals to 77 degree. Okay, right. Once again look at the question here. What is given? Here in the question, in figure, AB parallel to CD, and angle APQR is given, and also angle PRD is also given, and we have to find out X and Y. And we know that these two are parallel lines, and here one line is intersecting the two parallel lines, and that line is called as transversal line. If two angles are same side angles or alternative interior angles, from that we got the X value and Y value. How much X value we got? 50 degrees X value, and Y value we got here 77 degree. This is the answer.